Today I'm going to show you how to make oat cookies. You will need 100 grams of oats, 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of butter, and 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. Firstly, in a bowl, mix together your self-raising flour, your caster sugar, and your oats until they're well combined. Then, in a saucepan over a low heat, you want to melt your butter and your golden syrup together until the butter is completely melted. Then add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and mix really well until a nice dough has formed. Then, having pre-lined a baking tray, you then want to roll your dough into balls and place it on the baking tray. Just make sure that you're not rolling it while the dough is too hot though, being that we've just warmed the butter up. Just make sure that it's cool enough that you can handle. And you just want to roll them into balls and put them on the baking tray, making sure there's enough space in between each cookie that they will expand. So as they cook, they will kind of fall down and expand out, but that'll give you that nice gooey centre in the middle. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make oat cookies.